Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing how to create 3D typography using Canva. First, I'll create a new document for a YouTube video. Next, I'll go to the search bar on the top left and type Typecraft. I'll select the corresponding icon and type Sunset in the text box. For the font, I'll choose Anton font. You can also change the font color. Adjust the shape and resize it as needed. After updating the design, I'll add it to my elements. You can move and resize your own design as well. For the font color, I'll select white by entering the hex code FFFFFF 6xF to indicate pure white. Add element to design. Now, I'll add an element to the design by going to the Elements tab, typing shape, and choosing a square. I'll increase the size of the square, then go to the Position option and choose Send to Back. I'll change the square's color to gray. Once done, I'll download this design as a PNG file. After that, I'll select the sunset text and delete it. Then, I'll upload the downloaded PNG file and add it to the design. Next, I'll change the background color to my favorite, or any preferred, color. I'll select the sunset image and remove its white background. I'll increase the size. And then go to Elements again to search for a beach sunset image. After choosing a beach sunset image, I'll add it to the design and resize it to fit. I'll go back to the Position option, choose Send to Back, and adjust/crop the beach sunset image as needed. Then, I'll change the background color to gray. And download the design as a PNG file. Next, I'll add a new page, set the page color to white, and add the downloaded PNG file to the design. I'll remove the background color from this file and duplicate the sunset image. I'll separate the duplicated image. Select the original sunset image. Go to Edit and slightly adjust the brightness. I'll duplicate the image again and place it over the original sunset image. Then, I'll press the up arrow on my keyboard about 4 or 5 times. Make sure caps lock and number lock are on. Make a group this image. I'll select the duplicated sunset image, go to Position, and choose Bring to Front. I'll replace the last duplicated element over the original one and group them together. Finally, I'll duplicate this group again, adjust its position, and group everything together once more. Now, your 3D typography design is ready. Thank you for watching.